Okay, these are quick and easy. What inequality represents the graph? Well, we have an endpoint at 8, so we're comparing x, the number, to -8. Okay? Do we have numbers greater than -8 or less? We have numbers greater than that. Okay? We're going bigger than the endpoint. So x has to be greater than. Now, can it be or equals? Sorry, there you go. Can it be or equals? No, the endpoint is open, so it's not or equals. It's simply x is all the values greater than -8. Okay? For number 35, where is that endpoint? Well, look at it. It's exactly between 0 and -1. Okay, what number is between 0 and -1? Well, what number is between 0 and 1? Between 0 and 1 is a half. So between 0 and -1 is -1/2. Okay, so we're comparing the variable, let's call it x, to an endpoint of -1/2. Do we have numbers greater than that or less than that? Well, we're getting bigger. We're going in the right to the right of the endpoint where the numbers get bigger. So we say x is greater than. And which one's bigger? Well, x is greater, and that means the alligator eating the bigger number has to do that. Does it say or equals? Well, is the endpoint filled in? Yes, it is. So we say, yep, or equals. X can be greater than -1/2, but it could also be equal to. That's how you do it.